When you click on the link to go to Flip, it'll look like this. You'll select the persuasive essay topic. You'll go to the record button, and then you need to make sure to allow the microphone and camera to be used. You'll go to the ... at the top right of the screen and select record screen. You'll have to select a screen to record. I'm going to select window, thing that shows your actual screen on your computer. Press share. It'll do a countdown and it'll record your screen. You'll have your essay already pulled up on a tab. You'll go to that tab. You'll read the title, your name, and then as you read your essay, you will scroll down and show each portion as you read it. At the very end, once you have read your entire essay, you need to scroll down and show the works cited and give a moment so you can see the entire works cited. Then you go back to Flip and click stop recording. You can always preview what it looks like your video. If you do not like it, you can delete it and redo it. If you like it, you can click next and caption it, put your name right here, and you'll post to the topic. If you don't like it, you can always redo your video. That is what you will need to do for your posting on Flip. Email me with any questions that you might have.